What's something people don't know about selling a business for millions? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Did you know that only a tiny fraction of businesses ever sell for over $1 million? It's true. Building a company to that level is a massive accomplishment. Selling it? That's a whole other beast. I'm here to tell you that it's possible. I've been in the trenches, built empires from scratch, and yes, I've even said goodbye to a 7-figure business. It was one of the biggest decisions of my life. We're going to break down the process together. You'll learn from my wins and my losses. Get ready to dive in. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, understanding your value, and finding the right buyer. Are you ready to unlock your business's full potential? Let's go. Entrepreneurship is in my blood. It's something that has always driven me, pushing me to explore new horizons. From lemonade stands to building multi-million-dollar companies, I've always been obsessed with creating value. The thrill of turning an idea into reality is unmatched. This particular journey started with a simple idea and a whole lot of hustle. It was a spark that ignited a fire within me. I won't bore you with the details, but years of long nights and relentless hard work turned that idea into a thriving business. The journey was filled with challenges and triumphs. Seeing that valuation hit $7 million was surreal. It was a moment of validation for all the effort and sacrifices made. It was proof that passion, dedication, and a relentless focus on the customer pays off. Every milestone achieved was a testament to the team's hard work. But here's the thing. Reaching that milestone made me think about the bigger picture. It was a moment of introspection and reflection. Was this business the right fit for the next chapter of my life? I had to consider my long-term goals and aspirations. Did I want to keep scaling it? The decision wasn't easy, and it required deep thought. Or was it time to let go and pursue new opportunities? The future was wide open, and the possibilities were endless. Figuring out what your business is actually worth is one of the biggest challenges you'll face. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the market, your competitive advantage, and your future potential. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions. One minute you'll feel like you're sitting on a gold mine. The next, you'll be questioning everything. Trust me, it's all part of the process. Talk to experts. Get multiple valuations. Understand your financials inside and out. Don't be afraid to push back if someone lowballs you, but also be realistic about your expectations. Remember, valuation is just one piece of the puzzle. It's important, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Selling a business is like launching a rocket. It requires a clear vision, a solid plan, and a dedicated team to see it through. It takes meticulous planning, flawless execution, and a little bit of luck. Every detail matters, from the initial concept to the final launch. You can't just slap a for sale sign on your company and call it a day. It's a process that demands time, effort, and strategic thinking. First things first, get your financials in order. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. We're talking clean, organized, and accurate books. Potential buyers will scrutinize every number, so make sure everything is in top shape. Think of it as creating a compelling story for potential buyers. Your financials should tell a story of growth, stability, and potential. Next up, streamline your operations. Efficiency is key to making your business attractive to buyers. Make sure your business can run smoothly without you at the helm. This shows that the business is sustainable and not overly dependent on any one person. Buyers want to see a well-oiled machine, not a one-man show. They need to believe in the team and the processes in place. Finally, don't underestimate the power of marketing. A strong marketing strategy can significantly increase the perceived value of your business. You need to position your business in the best possible light and attract the right buyers. Highlight your unique selling points and market position. Think of it as finding the perfect dance partner for your business. The right buyer will see the value and potential in what you've built. Finding the right buyer is like finding a needle in a haystack. It requires patience, diligence, and a keen eye for detail. It's a numbers game, but it's also about quality over quantity. You have to sift through countless prospects to find the one that truly fits. You're not just looking for someone with deep pockets. Financial capability is important, but it's not the only factor. You want someone who understands your vision, values your company culture, and can take your business to the next level. It's about finding a partner who shares your passion and commitment. I met with potential buyers from all walks of life. Each meeting was a learning experience, offering new insights and perspectives. Some were all about the bottom line, focusing solely on profits and financial metrics. Others were more interested in the legacy, wanting to preserve the essence and history of the company. It was a crash course in human psychology, but it was also incredibly rewarding. I learned so much about what different people value in a business. Then I met. From the first handshake, I knew it was different. They got it. They understood the heart and soul of my business. Their passion matched mine, and their vision aligned perfectly with what I had built. Negotiations were intense but respectful. We both had a clear vision of what we wanted to achieve. We both wanted to make a deal that made sense. And then it happened. The moment of truth arrived. We signed the papers, the deal was done. It was a monumental moment, marking the beginning of a new chapter. It was bittersweet saying goodbye, but I knew deep down that I had found the perfect match for my business. The future looked bright, and I was confident that my legacy was in good hands. Selling my business for $7 million was a life-changing experience. I learned more in those few months than I had in years of business school. Here are a few key takeaways. Know your worth. Don't undervalue yourself or your business. Do your research, understand the market, and be confident in your asking price. Preparation is key. Get your financials in order, streamline your operations, and create a compelling marketing strategy. Find the right buyer. It's not just about the money. Look for someone who shares your vision and values. Trust your gut. You'll know when you found the right buyer. Don't be afraid to walk away from a deal that doesn't feel right. So there you have it, my $7 million story. It wasn't always easy, but it was worth every step of the journey. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to selling a business? What questions do you have about the process? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And if you're hungry for more entrepreneurial wisdom, head over to our other videos. We've got a treasure trove of resources waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment.